Do you want a cleaner editing experience in Samsung Note? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you hide the scroll bar while editing, which can help reduce distraction and provide more space for your Note. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Note app. Tap the menu icon in the top left. Then tap the settings icon. Tap Advanced. Under the interface section, find hide scroll while editing. Now, turn the feature on or off. For this example, let's enable it. Next, open a long note and start editing. As you can see, the scroll bar is hidden while you are editing, giving you a cleaner view of your note. This can be useful if you prefer a more distraction-free writing experience. However, if you rather keep the scroll bar visible while editing, simply return to the setting and turn the feature off. And that's how you hide the scroll bar while editing note on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.